Forget omega-3 supplements. Take these two vitamins at night to rebuild muscle overnight. You might be eating 150 grams of protein daily, hitting the gym 5 times a week, and faithfully taking your omega-3s. But if you're over 60 and neglecting to take these two specific vitamins before bed, you are likely wasting a lot of your effort. The reality is that omega-3s alone aren't enough to stop the inevitable loss of muscle that comes with age. True muscle growth and repair happen while you sleep, not during your workout. Without providing your body with the precise nutrients at night, it simply cannot rebuild muscle effectively or maintain your hard-earned strength. In this video, I'll reveal the 2 nighttime vitamins that have the power to actually reverse muscle loss, restore physical strength, and significantly speed up your body's recovery. This simple routine will help you stay active, independent, and powerful at any age. Magnesium glycinate. This form of magnesium is fundamentally different from the types typically included in standard multivitamins. It is easily absorbed by the body, gentle on the digestive system, and is uniquely effective in supporting the deep repair of muscle tissue while you rest. When consumed right before sleep, magnesium glycinate actively kickstarts protein synthesis, which is the fundamental process your body uses to rebuild and strengthen muscles after the daily strain. It also works wonders by calming both your muscles and nervous system, helping you achieve deeper sleep cycles faster. This deep sleep is crucial because it's when your body releases the maximum amount of growth hormone, a hormone absolutely vital for recovery and muscle repair, especially after 60, when its natural production begins to decline rapidly. Simply put, without sufficient magnesium, your muscles struggle to use the protein you eat to grow and recover efficiently, no matter how much protein powder you consume. Here's a shocking fact most people overlook. Up to 80% of seniors are deficient in magnesium. Yet standard blood tests rarely catch this because only about 1% of the body's total magnesium is in the bloodstream. The rest is stored in your bones and deep tissues. To complicate things, many common medications, like diuretics for blood pressure, acid reflux drugs, and diabetes medication, can aggressively flush magnesium right out of your system, depleting your reserves even faster. Furthermore, the natural decrease in stomach acid as we age makes it harder to absorb adequate magnesium from food sources alone. The research confirms its importance. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that older adults who supplemented with magnesium saw significant improvements in muscle strength and overall physical performance. Even more impressively, participants who specifically took magnesium glycinate before bed reported noticeable increases in lean muscle mass in just 12 weeks. To reap these benefits, aim for 300-400 mg of magnesium glycinate about 30 minutes before bed with water. You can also naturally boost your intake by including magnesium-rich foods in your evening meal. Think grilled salmon, sautéed spinach, and roasted pumpkin seeds, perhaps finishing with a square of dark chocolate for dessert. This simple routine not only fuels muscle growth but actively promotes the deep, restorative sleep your body needs to grow stronger night after night. Zinc. The second essential nutrient that will help you rebuild muscle while you sleep is zinc, specifically in the easily absorbed forms of zinc picolinate or zinc glycinate. This mineral rarely gets the spotlight, but it plays an immense role in how your body repairs and builds new muscle tissue. Especially during your nighttime recovery phase, zinc is crucial because it helps boost testosterone production, one of the core hormones required to maintain strength and muscle mass as we age. For men over 60, testosterone levels naturally decline, which is a major factor making muscle building difficult. When you supplement with zinc at night, you support your body's ability to restore these hormone levels, essentially keeping your muscles in a state of growth and repair while you rest. But its function goes deeper. Zinc activates over 300 enzymes responsible for converting the protein you ate during the day into actual functional muscle tissue. Think of zinc as the engine's spark plug. Without it, the entire machine struggles to efficiently use protein, regardless of your intake amount. Zinc also provides powerful support to your immune system, helping it fight off inflammation and stress. These two are silent enemies that consistently break down muscle tissue over time. When your body is focused on managing inflammation or minor infections, it diverts energy away from muscle repair. Zinc helps interrupt this destructive cycle, allowing your muscles to focus completely on rebuilding stronger. Moreover, zinc actively supports better sleep quality. Studies indicate that zinc can help you reach the deeper stages of sleep, since this is the period when your body releases the most growth hormone, a critical component for repair taking. Zinc before bed not only balances your hormones, but creates the best possible environment for overnight muscle recovery. The results are significant. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that zinc supplementation in older adults led to an increase in lean body mass and a boost in testosterone levels of up to 30%. That's a massive difference from such a simple nightly addition. For maximum benefit, take about 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc picolinate or glycinate approximately 30 minutes before bed. Ideally, take it on an empty stomach or at least 2 hours after your last meal. A key tip: avoid taking it at the same time as calcium or iron, as these minerals can block zinc absorption. You can naturally increase your zinc intake with dinner. Try a meal featuring grass-fed beef, roasted chickpeas, sautéed mushrooms, and a handful of pumpkin seeds for a final boost. This simple step ensures your body has the nutrients it needs to remain strong, resilient, and energetic as you age. Now, let's look at the supplements you should never take at night. Before we dive into the supplements you should never take at night, I just want to remind you, if this information is helping you understand your body better, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping you stay strong, healthy, and full of energy, no matter your age. Now, let's keep going because the next part might surprise you. Some of the supplements you've been told are good for you could actually be blocking your muscle growth while you sleep. Supplements to avoid before bed. Iron supplements. Yes, iron is an essential mineral required for energy production and red blood cell health. But taking it at the wrong time, specifically before bed, can completely derail your muscle recovery efforts. When consumed at night, iron frequently causes side effects like cramps, nausea, and general restlessness, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay in deep sleep. As we've established, deep, restful sleep is the only time your body releases growth hormone and efficiently repairs muscle tissue. If your sleep is constantly interrupted, your body misses its prime window to rebuild and strengthen muscles. Even worse, iron has the capacity to directly block the absorption of magnesium and zinc, the two most important nutrients for muscle growth and recovery we just discussed. This means if you take iron alongside your magnesium glycinate or zinc glycinate, you are essentially nullifying their benefits. The promised results, deeper sleep, better recovery, higher testosterone, and stronger muscles, will be lost. This is why timing is crucial. Iron is not a bad supplement. It's just bad when taken at night. To gain the benefits of iron without sabotaging your sleep or supplements, the optimal time to take it is in the morning, ideally paired with vitamin C for improved absorption. Try pairing it with fresh orange juice or a few strawberries at breakfast. This way, your body utilizes the iron during the day when you are active, and it won't interfere with your essential nighttime muscle recovery process. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine confirmed this, showing that older adults who took iron in the evening had poorer sleep quality and slower muscle recovery compared to morning users. If you have been taking your iron at night, thinking it helps you while you rest, it is time to switch that habit. Your muscles will definitely thank you. 2. B-complex vitamins now. Let me be clear. B vitamins are incredibly vital. They are essential for helping your body convert food into energy, supporting brain function, and even boosting mood. But here is the critical problem. That resulting boost of energy is the absolute last thing you want right before you try to sleep. When taken at night, B vitamins can overly stimulate your nervous system, making it much harder for your body to fully relax and drift into the deep, restorative sleep necessary for muscle growth. It's like trying to sleep after drinking 3 cups of strong coffee. As we know, deep sleep is when your body performs its most serious repair work. This is the phase where your growth hormone levels soar, allowing your muscles to rebuild, recover, and grow stronger. But when your sleep cycle is disturbed by something as stimulating as a B-complex supplement, you miss out on those crucial hours of healing. Over time, this results in slower muscle recovery, chronic fatigue, and even weaker performance during your daytime activities. You might believe your supplement routine is helping you, but if you're taking your B vitamins before bed, you could be doing the opposite. A study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine confirmed this, showing that people who took B vitamins at night had less REM sleep and poorer muscle recovery compared to those who took them earlier in the day. This means your brain and body don't get the proper rest they need to completely recharge. So when is the best time for B vitamins? The morning, right after your breakfast. That is when your body can use the extra energy boost throughout the day, improving alertness and stamina without disturbing your sleep later. Save your B vitamins for sunrise and keep your magnesium and zinc for bedtime. High-dose calcium is often seen as a universally beneficial nutrient, famous for building strong bones and supporting muscle contraction. However, here is a truth most people miss. When calcium is taken alone, especially at night, it can often do more harm than good. Taking an excessive amount of calcium without adequate magnesium completely throws off your body's essential mineral balance. Instead of helping your muscles relax, it can actually cause stiffness, cramps, and overall restlessness, preventing you from getting the deep, restorative sleep required for muscle recovery. Magnesium and calcium operate as teammates. One contracts the muscle, and the other helps it relax. When you overload your system with calcium but don't have enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense. This imbalance can lead to a condition called soft tissue calcification, where calcium deposits start forming in your muscle tissue instead of your bones. This can make your muscles feel tight and less flexible, the exact opposite of what you need to remain mobile and strong as you age. Excess nighttime calcium can leave you feeling stiff, achy, and even weaker the following morning. To make matters worse, taking calcium before bed without magnesium can block magnesium absorption entirely. This means even if you're taking magnesium glycinate, one of the best muscle repair supplements, your body won't be able to utilize it properly, effectively canceling out the benefits of your entire nighttime routine. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who took high doses of calcium at night without magnesium experienced arterial calcification and reduced muscle strength over time. The best way to take calcium is in small doses during the day, ideally taken with food and always paired with magnesium in roughly a 2-to-1 ratio, meaning for every 2 parts of calcium, you should have 1 part magnesium. This balance is key to keeping your muscles flexible, your bones robust, and your heart healthy. Remember, keep your calcium for the daytime and let magnesium take over at night. So, here is the clear truth. If you are over 60, rebuilding muscle isn't just about how much protein or omega-3s you consume. The real secret happens at night with magnesium glycinate and zinc glycinate. These 2 powerful nutrients help your body repair, recover, and grow stronger while you sleep. And remember, strictly avoid iron, B-complex, and high-dose calcium supplements at night. They will block your progress. Your body still holds the incredible power to rebuild itself. You just need the right tools and the right timing. If this video has helped you understand your body's needs better, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future evidence-based tips for healthy aging. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.